Graphico Art Design welcomes all artist members in first International Online Art Exhibition. For this exhibition, 220 artists from all over the world sent their entries and 85 works is selected to display from artists of 13 countries in 3D virtual gallery of exhibition.
Mr. Amit Kumar, Ranchi, Jharkhand. He usually shown the major problem, causes and issues of India, specially depicted how corona warriors are working day and night for us. Sherrod Chedlers from Florida, A&M University, self-taught artist and illustrator with passion for paint, education and community. His style is vibrant, ever evolving and resemblant to the individual who inspire him the most. It is expressive, direct and original. Mr. Bijendra Pratap, Master of Fine Arts in Painting from Banaras Hindu University in 2010, self-inspired artist from India. He has a natural love with colors and started playing with them at an early age. His master strokes always create something which can be loved by anyone else. He has been awarded many times. Alden Winter, Jamaica. He depicts his artwork in surrealism and abstract form. His vibrant color designed to create different moods for your office, bedroom, living room, and to stimulate conversation. His collections can be seen worldwide.
Nitika Sharma, Master of Fine Arts in Painting from Nagpur University. Fellowship from Government Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya Nagpur. Competent and hard-working. She is an art educator in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Hyderabad region. Participated in different national art exhibitions and achieved KVS Incentive Award and other awards.
Age could not be the restriction to express if anyone has passion of art. Ananya Chabra, only 15 years old, studying in class 11th, a poet, a singer, designer, a writer. Graphico art design, wish her for future.
Mohammad Bilal, Master of Fine Arts in Applied Arts from University of Rajasthan. Presently working with KBS. Freelance jewelry designer, worked with many advertising agencies, exhibited his beautiful work in many national and international exhibitions. Achieved many awards in jewelry, design and painting. Mrs. Kahkasham, MFA from AMU Aligarh. Presently working in Kendriya Vidyalaya ITBP Dehradun. Achieved KVS Regional and National Incentive Award, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Award in the category of Creative Painting, Active Teacher Award and many other national and international awards in the field of painting and poetry. She usually worked in the negative technique of watercolor but never stopped doing experiments with other techniques and mediums.
Rani Adhikari, Master of Fine Arts in Sculpture from the College of Arts, Delhi in 2010. She is working presently in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan as an artist. She has master skills in depicting emotions in stones and several materials and bagged many awards in the field of art.
Vikram Kumar from India, born and brought up in Madhubani, Bihar. He always has passion to do something different in field of art and design. Graduated from NIFT New Delhi, he bagged several national and international awards like Usha International Award. As fashion designer, he has exhibited his fashion skill at national and international level. His unique technique of macrame knotting placed him in a different position in the field of art. He created many artwork just look like painting and continuing his work in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Alexei Sagiv from Russia. She creates emotional, free, spontaneous, intense, undefined linear quality with her abstract creation. Her collection can be found in different countries like Argentina, Australia, Belgium, USA, UAE, UK, Russia, Japan, and many more.
Ankita Ghosh, born and brought up in Hooghly, West Bengal, India, have been participated in several national exhibitions. and achieved silver and gold cards in competitions. Her work is mostly based on emotions of daily life and Greek god and goddesses. Mr. Ashok Kumar Bharat, presently working in Kendriya Vidyalaya Pathankot. He loved to paint on daily life situations. What he feel he expressed in his painting in simple form and bright colors. His paintings are like his daily diary and a powerful weapon to express. He participated in national and international exhibitions.
Erika Choi, Malaysia. Her thought is life is a largely subjective experience, but that subjective experience in her breathes to the objective world, and synthesis of these two she trying to capture. Her collection of work could be seen in many countries.
Gopi Kala, Master of Fine Arts from Kheragar University, Gwalior, won several awards in many national and international art exhibitions, solo show Rabindra Bhavan, Lalit Kala Academy, etc. Participated in many national and international art exhibitions.
Hani. She is a Korean American new media artist, scholar, and educator. She has done MFA from Hofburger School of Painting and Imaging Digital Arts, PhD in Philosophy of Media and Communication from European Graduate School.
Indu Pandey from Varanasi, Master of Fine Arts in Creative Painting, Faculty of Visual Arts, Banaras Hindu University. Presently working as an art teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Jalwa, Allahabad. Participated in many national exhibitions and awarded many times.
Aniket Singh from Delhi, India. He is a student of Technia Institute of Art and Design, Delhi. Recently, he won award in Utkarsh Lalit Kala Academy. His working place is Delhi.
Anna Bathula Venkanna from Telangana, presently working in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Telangana. He has achieved regional and national Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Incentive Award, participated in many national exhibitions and awarded several times. Mr. Neeraj Yadav, BFA Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, working as freelance artist in Delhi. He worked previously in Bharat Bhavan, Bhopal, exhibited many solo exhibitions around the world. His paintings published in national and international magazines and his work collections are in many countries. Pankaj Sharma, BFA Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, working as freelance artist in Delhi. Previously worked in Bharat Bhavan, Bhopal, exhibited many solo exhibitions around the world. His painting published in many national and international magazines and his work collected in many countries. His style of work is assembling many small works to create a single large composition.
Mr. Tabrez Hassan Ansari, Master in Arts in Painting from Jivaji University, Gwalior, JTA Fellowship from Jamia Millia Islamia, proud winner of KVS National Award in Painting and KVS Regional Incentive Award, participated in many workshops and national art exhibitions and awarded several times. His work collected and published in many international and national magazines.
Dr. Taruna Mathur, presently working in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Vadodara. Principal Investigator Anuragyam, Chief Editor Anuragyam Kala Yatra magazine. Her bright colors attract its viewers. She has been participated in many national and international art exhibitions and also have been awarded. She is not only an artist but also a writer, a poet and a good human being.
Bhagwan Lal Prasad, born and brought up in Sitamarhi, Bihar, a true artist with true soul of art, inspired by his mother Lakshmiya Devi. He has created more than 300 paintings in the journey of his 25 years of research on Alauddin story saga. He is multi-dimensional artist, worked in sculpture, painting, murals, plays, etc.
His paintings are exhibited as guest artist.
Muhammad Imran Ali from India. His sculpture represents historic significance. His love towards history is the main reason behind his work. According to him, history is who we are and why we are the way we are. Through this sculpture, he is representing glory of Rome.
Roman Pankov, artist and illustrator from Russia, studied from Kherson State University. He has a unique technique with adding charcoal for the final details. He constantly doing experiments with different style and unique techniques. According to him, all this is possible. You need to learn.
Philipp Weber from Germany, born in Rostock, post-graduated from University of the Arts, Berlin, Germany, an incredibly skilled artist. He has forged a clear artistic progression throughout his career. He looks for inner truth in those. He paints beautiful women in traditional magazine poses, gives hyper-realistic touch to his paintings.
His paintings are exhibited as guest artist.
Mathieu. He is a French artist, best known for his Baroque street art inspired by ornaments from around the world, as well as for his striking oriental carpet painting, resulting in a mix of urban art with the heritage of ancient culture. Completed his master degree of art in Toulouse. We can see his work in France, Argentina, Canada, and many more countries. Arinze Stanley, Nigeria. Graduated from IMO State University with agriculture engineering. Started drawing in early age of 6. Always been enthusiastic about drawing realistic portraits on paper. Over the year, he gradually taught himself how to master both pencil and paper in harmony as a medium to express himself through what he calls his 3 Ps, namely patience, practice, and persistence.
His paintings are exhibited as guest artist. Nicole Fernandini Erika Chile, teaching art and entrepreneurship and management control engineer. Details of common objects can be easily seen in her work. She likes to paint day-to-day life objects and life.
Rajesh Kumar Singh from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, Master of Fine Arts from Indira Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya, Khairagarh, Chhattisgarh. UGC NET in Visual Art. Awarded by State Lalit Kala Academy, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, IFEX, New Delhi, National Lalit Kala Academy, etc. Participated in many national and international art exhibitions, camps, and workshops.
Lopamudra Parida from Bangalore, India. Degree in Electronics and Telecommunication and MA Education from IGNOU, Bangalore. She shows intent to build a career in art and culture. She took art to enlighten her soul. She would like to be an artist in real meaning. She participated in many solo and group exhibitions at national and international level. Vivek Anand belongs to Kaimur, Bihar, India. Have done MBA in creative paintings from MSU Baroda, Gujarat. He bagged Junior Research Fellowship Award by Ministry of Culture and many more. Participated in national and international art festivals. Jackson Chia JP PBM from Serangoon Avenue, Singapore. Have done Diploma in Marketing from London, Diploma in Management, etc. Besides of his education and medical business, his interest in art can be seen in his work. He worked in mixed media, acrylic and batik technique.
Mr. Kaushalesh Kumar, Master of Visual Arts from College of Arts and Craft, University of Lucknow, presently working in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, achieved National Artist Award by KVS and State Lalit Kala Academy, Lucknow. He has done many solo and group exhibitions on national level and attended many workshops and art festivals. Mr. Vikas Kumar, born and brought up in Madhubani, Master of Design NIFT New Delhi. He achieved National Award by State Lalit Kala Academy, Lucknow in 2010. He exhibited his work in IPEX, Lalit Kala Academy and many other national and international exhibitions. He has been awarded also Regional Incentive Award by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan.
Dear artist, Namaskar. Thanks all of you for participation in first International 3D online art exhibition. To make this online art exhibition a huge success, along with exhibition, Graphico Art Design is planning many more things for artist members to give a platform. We will update these all things on my website www.graphicoartdesign.com. Thanks all of you once again from bottom of my heart. Namaskar.